Hey y'all, so you know I like to travel and take a look at these packing cubes and organizers that I just got. Now these are from Amazon, y'all. Again, you know I love to travel. They do have the suggested items that you should put in each one, but I'm going to put whatever I want. But I just want to go through this with y'all because I think this is really cool. So this one looks like you're going to put maybe your laundry. It could be a spend a night bag inside of another spend a night bag. You know, you might be already on a trip and you go somewhere else, or you could put your laundry in here. So that's what I would do with that. This one is suggesting for your undergarments, socks, panties, underwear. I'm sorry, bra, panties. So that's what you would put in here. This one looks like you can either put like shorts or short sleeve shirts, long sleeve shirts. So just put a couple shirts in here and keep it organized. And you can see that you can put a lot of stuff in here. Let's get to this one. Looks like it's not going to be big enough for me because I will probably have more beauty and toiletries than this. But this looks like something small for just a few of your toiletries. But it's not going to be too small because we do have this. But this, again, looks like something small for your toiletries. So if you just want to keep your face stuff in here, or your toothbrush, or for the females, if you want to keep your personal hygiene things in here, you can. But this, I would say, is also for your toiletries because it has this hook, which you can hook, you know, in the bathroom. So that's pretty cool. This is the outside of the packing cubes. Everything folds up and fits inside here once everything is out of these bags, and you can fit everything back inside here. And then again, this hook you can hook in a bathroom or in a closet or anything like that. So also I will put my toiletries or anything like that in here. This looks like it's a little bit bigger and maybe a little wider here on the side with the zipper. So it's saying you could put heavier things in here like a vest and a jacket or outerwear or jeans, it looks like, or your pants will go in this one. This one, I'm assuming, is going to be for your shoes. You don't want to have your shoes to get your items in your suitcase dirty. So again, these are packing cubes that you're going to put inside your luggage. This helps to keep all your things organized. I'm assuming you're going to put your shoes in here. This is what I will put in here. And then last but not least, this is what we will put more of your shorts, shirts, tops, or long sleeve. They have another one in here for you. So I'm going to pack this all up so that you can see what it looks like when it's all packed up.